In this video today, I will show you how to connect AI with Odoo using the MCP, that is the Model Context Protocol, and how AI can communicate directly with Odoo database. Okay, so before we get started, there's one simple configuration that required in Odoo. So go to setting and set for the MCP. So here you can see that enable the MCP access and they enable the request logging. Okay, that 30 days retention. And here we can see the manage MCP available models. Okay, so here you can see that currently I configured the two models. The one is the contact and another salesperson, and we want the read access to the MCP protocol. So basically, when we chat with AI, it's able to read the contact or the sales order. Okay, so this is the configuration. We can also allow if you want to create, update, or delete from the AI. But currently, for the security reason and for it is good if we can allow only the read access, but that's up to our use case. Okay. That's it. After doing this one, actually, we need to use any AI platform. So currently I'm using the Claude Desktop. Okay. So this one is my Claude Desktop. So basically, uh, in the left side, you have to logged in user. And here you can see that the one of the option as a developer. So in the developer, you can see I already configured the MCP server and currently it is running. So this one MCP server, that's Odoo, and it is connected. Again, we used the third-party Odoo apps for the MCP connection. Okay. Get the details. If you want to edit anything, we can click on the edit config and we can edit anything that we wanted. So currently the status of my MCP server is running. So I'm able to ask an question and it will give me the answer based on my Odoo data. Okay, so you can see the connector also. There are various connector available and currently the Odoo one is actually the connector. That's the local tail. That one is currently connected. Okay, that's it. After doing this one, I can ask any question. Show me last month's sales order in graph. So once we ask a question, it analyzes and it will just find out the question related to which one and just try to communicate with Odoo and return the result. So here you can see use the Odoo integration. So automatically understand the question and that load the data from the Odoo integration. Okay. So you can see that this is from this data actually based on from my Odoo database, it will show me the chart, anything. So anything we can ask and it just check our data and answer whatever the format we wanted. Okay, let's ask another question. Who are my top customers in Jan? Let's wait. Yeah, so here's the data that Zomini furniture, that's this the amount and about 93.7 as revenue and one order from this one. Again, this data from our audience. So let's just go to the sales order and we're going to check orders. And you can see most of the home training furniture and one from the this particular. So I think that's why it is saying. Let's check for so about 16,000, but let's check for the confirmed one. Invoice status, and that's already invoiced here, or what? 14107. So it's showing different. Okay, what is the 10 orders? Okay, totaling 10 orders. So it only calculated the 10 orders from this one instead of the 12. It's checked the 10 orders, but which 10 orders that? Okay, pursue, consider. Okay, that will show me that the result of the which. So the follow-up question also we can ask. So it will give us the detailed information that which orders they used. Okay, so these are the orders they used on the journals. So this is the ask. We can ask a question. We can also follow up. We can ask a follow-up question also there. Okay, we can also download the file, anything what we can do. So this is just a very simple question we can ask, and it will give us answer based on the our Odoo data. Okay, thanks for watching.